I'm Kate from iCandy and today I'm here at Direct4baby to show you 3 of the models in the iCandy range: the lime, the peach and the orange. First up we have the lime, which is the multifunctional compact fold pushchair. It has an integrated ride-on board which can take up to 20 kilograms. You can fold the lime with the seat unit on. It's lightweight at only 10.2 kilograms, so ideal for people living in flats or don't have storage space in the car. And there is a handy carry strap to put over your shoulder. Next up we have Peach, which is our luxury pushchair bringing together design, style and functionality. You can add the included elevators to the Peach to bring baby closer to you in the carry cot or to aid interaction when baby's in seat mode. The spacious carry cot allows for permanent overnight sleeping. The Peach can also be converted to a full travel system with a compatible car seat. Here at Aintree we have the new jet black orange edition, which is the new colour in the range. The orange features a large basket which is easily accessible and can take up to 10 kilograms. The orange can be used as a single, double or a twin, so it's great for growing families. Here it is with the use of the elevator adapters to allow for a child to stand on the integrated ride-on board. Easily folded with or without the seat unit, freestanding and a compact fold. To unfold there is an easy to reach clasp.